Okay guys, it's super heavy rain and I know it's raining, so we're trying to collect rainwater. That's raining. So we're gonna collect rainwater for our potted plants because it has been the weather has been very hot. And what we have here is we already have one tub. This is the second tub, so I'm gonna refill that to the pail and then collect more rainwater. Okay, so I just fill up one tub and then we have a one tub full and one pail, small pail. I'm adding more. Look at that. Saving water. Using the rainwater for our potted plant. Got 2 bags of water just now. Oops. Yeah. So it's full. Oops. It's still full, so I'm gonna get Yan to water the plant first, and then we'll add some more of rainwater into the pail. Look at that. Guys, I'm doing a test now using my iPhone to see whether it actually synchronized with the video. Anyway, today is a Saturday. Yesterday was Good Friday and we were at home the whole day. So today we are going out. We are going to visit my mother-in-law. I'll see you later. Hey guys, so we visited one house and we're going to Peninsular to the regular camera shop to check for my tripod and see whether they got the latest model for Canon. Stay tuned. I'm in Grab car. Grab car is raining out there. I'm wearing 3CE lipstick right now. Just checking on Parazer knife from Bandung.
Tempat ini ada orang yang kena sawan.
So that's the shop over there. LCLR Revolution. So we're going in to check whether how much is the tripod.
Oh wait, we go straight and then we turn.
Okay, so basically there's those stock. They only have the 5K. My office sell the 1K. So we'll have to look around to another shop over there. See whether they have the 1K stock for the Joby Gorilla tripod. Okay, this is the Cathay photo, so I'm not sure whether they have the Joby tripod. Okay, let's go inside. Hi.
Yes.
Do you have the Joby Gorilla tripod?
Yes, we do.
I'm looking for a 1K. Do you have that?
Yeah, we do.
You have? Okay. How much is that?
53.
Okay, can I get one of that?
Okay, why not?
Alright, so I found it.
Oh, you want something like that? So you can mount your camera?
No. I'm traveling, so I just need this one. Only one color, is it? They don't have the one.
You want?
I think they used to have the white, but never mind. This one is okay.
Okay, I can do for you. I'll spray for you.
Spray for me. Oh, nice of you. This one, this is the 3K, 5K.
How come you don't go for 3K? This is almost.
But this is just nice.
Yeah, lah, for traveling.
Yeah, they put my small bag. No.
Discount price.
How much is your Canon GX7 now?
I check for you. $50. Take away $1 coffee. No problem lah. No problem. Just order coffee. That's why I said your customer is coming.
You. This is the
My favorite camera.
Duduk.
My favorite camera. From mobile lah. Which eye? This time. Good lah. First. Oh, Monday. Okay lah.
Okay, thank you so much.
Now it's my turn to take. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
So if you guys need the Gorillapod, it's actually here. They have new variety, It's a good price. So those who actually ask me where I got my stuff for my camera and my tripod, you can actually go here to get all the accessories. And also over there, it's such a big shop. So I definitely will be back for my my G7X, right? For the G7X, right?
G7X.
No, 700. I'm gonna buy. Okay. See. Alright, thank you, Kevin. Kevin, look for Kevin at Canon at Peninsula Plaza. Yeah. Okay. Thanks. Bye bye.
Have a nice trip, huh?
Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. Happy that I got my stuff. So let's go and have makan. Let's go makan.